Ooh, Walt Disney classics.
Ooh. It's Christmas morning, 2010. And Arthur just opened a gift from his Uncle Chris.
Dumbo. Yes. Look at that. Classic storybook. Snow White. Who's that?
A mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Yeah, who's this? Yeah, it's the same guy, see?
Can you
Mickey
say
Mouse.
thank you, Uncle Chris?
Thank you, Uncle Chris.
Say thank you, Uncle
Say
Chris.
Thank you.
Pass.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at this. How nice. We'll have a lot of reading to do. This looks like a book that we had when we were kids. Wow. How neat. Thank you, Uncle Chris. Wow. All right. It's a lot of work getting that out of there, isn't it?
Oh boy.
Say.
Yay.
Wow.
It's a train.
It's a train.
That's
What's that one?
it.
Oh, it's a construction
It's a
thing.
steam shovel thing.
Wow.
Wow, look at that, buddy.
That.
Can you say thank you, Santa?
Say thank you.
Arthur is appropriately dressed as in his reindeer sweater today.
Do you like that? Huh?
Not Mama.
What? What? Hey, you forgot to open a present, right?
What you got there, buddy? Play-Doh! Wow!
What's up it?
It's Play-Doh!
It's Play-Doh. We'll have to have fun with that. Yeah.
It's ugly.
Do you know what Play-Doh is, honey? We can make shapes.
Do you ever play with Play-Doh at school, Arthur?
Did you play with Play-Doh at school?